Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to recover a deleted CapCut project on mobile. There's nothing quite like opening CapCut, looking for your project, and realizing it's completely gone. At that point, the big question is, can you actually recover it? Here's the honest answer. If the project is permanently deleted, meaning it's no longer in the trash folder, then unfortunately, there's no built-in way to bring it back. CapCut only keeps deleted drafts in the trash for a limited time, usually around 7 days, and once it's gone from there, it's gone for good. The only real backup option is if you've previously saved it to cloud storage. I always check there just in case, because sometimes you forgot you uploaded it earlier. But if that was only stored locally, recovery isn't possible. Avoid clearing app data or reinstalling the app unless necessary, because that can wipe projects too. If you're working on something important, uploading it to the cloud is honestly the safest move. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.